What is a function? A term that echoes through the halls of mathematics, computer science, and our everyday language, yet its meaning varies depending on the context. In the realm of mathematics, a function is an extraordinary relationship between two sets. These sets are known as the domain and the codomain. The domain, a playground of all possible inputs to the function, and the codomain, a realm of all possible outputs. For every input you find in the domain, there exists exactly one output in the codomain. Functions often masquerade themselves in the form of equations or formulas. Think of fx equals sine x squared or gx equals sine of x. We now shift our gaze to the world of computer science. Here, a function is not a relationship, but a block of code. This block has a dedicated mission to perform a specific task. Functions serve to modularize code, making it easier to reuse, much like how a blueprint aids in the construction of multiple buildings. They can also be used to hide implementation details from other parts of the program, akin to how a magician never reveals their secrets. Functions in this context typically have one or more input parameters and an output value. In the landscape of our everyday language, a function is neither a relationship nor a code block. It's the purpose or role that something has. For instance, we often say that the function of a heart is to pump blood, or that the function of a teacher is to educate students. Let's illustrate with some examples. Consider the square root function. It takes a number as input and gives its square root as output. Think about a web browser. Its primary function is to display websites. Reflect on the government. Its function is to protect the people and their interests. So there you have it, the term function, a chameleon of contexts, shifting its meaning as it navigates through the realms of mathematics, computer science, and everyday language. Yet, despite these differences, at its core, a function is always about taking something in, transforming it, and then giving something out. In this way, the heart of what a function is remains consistent, a testament to the interconnectedness of our world.